Hot on the heels of Andre de Jong's arrival from Stellenbosch FC, Orlando Pirates have now completed a triple swoop in the January transfer window, underlining their intent for the remainder of the season. Orlando Pirates Football Club confirmed the latest additions, announcing the signings of Daniel Masindami and Mfo Chabatsene as the team gears up for the restart of the 2025-26 campaign. The MTN 8 and Carling knockout champions revealed that permanent agreements were reached with Marumo Gallants for both players, with the deals finalized and effective immediately. The Buccaneers also expressed their appreciation to Bahlaban Bantwa for their cooperative and professional conduct throughout negotiations, noting that the process was handled smoothly from start to finish. With all formalities now wrapped up, Masindami and Chabatsane are set to join their new teammates in the Northwest, where preparations are well underway for the resumption of the Betway Premiership. Club management is confident the duo will add depth and quality to the squad, while increasing competition as the technical team sharpens its plans for the second half of the campaign. Zimbabwean winger Daniel Masindami is comfortable operating on either flank. He featured 13 times for Marumo Gallants this season and even found the back of the net against the Buccaneers in an August encounter. Meanwhile, 23-year-old Mfo Chabatsane arrives to bolster the left side of central defense, stepping in following the departure of Mbekazeli Mbokazi. Looking ahead, Orlando Pirates' next assignment sees them travel to Polokwane to face Sekhukhune United on Saturday, the 24th of January, at the Peter Makaba Stadium. Kickoff is scheduled for 15:30 as the Sea Robbers continue their push in the Betway Premiership.